Imagine walking into your studio and feeling, for the first time, that the air itself has changed. Usually, we think of walls as rigid, cold barriers that shrink our world, but today at Hemp Studio, we are rewriting that narrative. We are moving away from the sterile and toward the soulful, exploring an inside design philosophy where your home doesn't just house you, it breathes with you. The magic lies in the tension between the rugged and the refined. By blending the ancient reliability of hemp with the soft, emerald velvet of forest moss, we are crafting more than just a room divider. We are building a living ecosystem. This isn't just about utility. It's about DIY farmhouse decor magic, the kind that transforms a flat, open space into a sanctuary of layered textures and whispered stories. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to master the art of the organic partition. We'll dive into the tactile world of farmhouse aesthetics, where every knot in the rope and every patch of greenery serves a purpose. Whether you're looking to shield your workspace or soften your sleeping nook, stay tuned as we weave together nature and structure to redefine what your decor can truly achieve. Establishing the focal point. The living room is the soul of the home, but in a studio, it often lacks a clear boundary. To start our build, we're focusing on a farmhouse aesthetic that emphasizes raw, organic textures. We'll begin by constructing a modular timber frame, think reclaimed oak or cedar, to act as the skeleton for our partition. Instead of traditional drywall, we are weaving heavy-duty, natural hemp rope in a geometric pattern across the frame. This creates a breathable wall. It provides that cozy, tucked-away feeling for your lounge area while allowing light to dance through the fibers, maintaining that open-concept inside design feel. Blending utility with greenery. Moving into the kitchen and dining transition, the partition serves a dual purpose. By integrating moisture-wicking moss panels into the lower third of the hemp weave, we create a lush, green base that thrives on the humidity often found near the cooking zone. The design style here is all about functional farmhouse. We're attaching small, reclaimed iron hooks directly to the hemp rope to hang dried herbs or copper measuring cups. This ensures the partition isn't just a divider, it's a vertical extension of your kitchen's workspace, blending the aromatic beauty of a garden with the practical needs of a dining area. Softening the sanctuary. In the bedroom, privacy is paramount. To make this section of the partition feel more substantial, we are layering different varieties of preserved reindeer and forest moss into the hemp lattice. This adds a thick, acoustic-dampening layer that helps quiet the sleeping nook. The inside design trick here is the soft touch approach. The contrast between the rugged, tactile hemp and the plush, velvet-like moss creates a sensory experience that grounds the room. It's the ultimate DIY farmhouse decor hack, using earthborn materials to create a sanctuary that feels miles away from the city, even if you're in a high-rise studio. the high humidity haven. Often overlooked in open-plan designs, the bathroom area requires a clever transition. For this segment of our partition, we are utilizing a living moss technique. Because moss loves the steam from your morning shower, this part of the wall will actually stay vibrant and lush just from the ambient moisture. We're reinforcing the hemp twine with stainless steel wire to prevent sagging, then nesting clumps of living sheet moss into the gaps. This creates a spa-like atmosphere, bringing a high-end, farmhouse chic look to your grooming space. It's proof that great inside design considers the climate of each zone within the home. Bringing the outdoors in. Finally, we treat the entire partition as an indoor garden. To finish the look, we're threading trailing ivy through the top of the hemp ropes, allowing the vines to spill down toward the moss base. This creates a waterfall of greenery that mimics an old farmhouse stone wall. By using hemp, a sustainable, carbon-sequestering fiber, you aren't just decorating, you're building an eco-conscious masterpiece. This design style focuses on their ancestral modern look, where ancient materials like hemp and moss meet the sleek needs of contemporary studio living. We've traveled from a blank studio floor to a lush, textured sanctuary, proving that inside design is limited only by our imagination. By combining the structural strength of hemp with the vibrant, moisture-loving beauty of moss, you've successfully mastered a piece of DIY farmhouse decor magic that brings the tranquility of the outdoors directly into your living space. We've explored how to delineate your home without losing light, ensuring your farmhouse style remains as functional as it is beautiful. This partition is a living testament to your creativity, but the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to keep breaking the boundaries of traditional decor, make sure to subscribe and join our Hemp Studio community. Like this video if these organic textures inspired your next project, and share it with a fellow creator who needs a breath of fresh air in their space. Thank you for being part of our story. Now go out there and make your design come alive.